Are you struggling with GCSE chemistry, especially the topic of oxidation and reduction? Well, stick around for this video where we are going to have a look at an example of a half equation and deduce whether it's showing oxidation or reduction. So in the previous couple of videos, I showed you the definition of oxidation and reduction in terms of electrons, which is what is needed for this part. So oxidation is the loss of electrons and reduction is the gain of electrons. And you can remember this by remembering the term oil rig. So I'm going to write an equation. Let's have a look at this half equation. Remember, a half equation shows what's happening to one element in the equation only. So in this case, we're only going to focus on chlorine, and we're going to figure out whether this half equation shows oxidation or reduction. So two chloride ions, they lose two electrons to form chlorine gas or chlorine element. So these two chloride ions, they come together and become chlorine element, but in the process of doing so, they also lose those two electrons. So these chloride ions lose two electrons and turn into chlorine element or chlorine gas. So we've lost electrons here. These chloride ions have lost an electron each, in total 2 electrons. So let's go up here and have a look at whether it's going to be oxidation or reduction. So I already know oxidation is loss of electrons, reduction is gain. So here I can conclude that this half equation is showing the process of oxidation because two chloride ions lose 2 electrons